So one of the things after you wash lettuce, there's a lot of water that's stuck in those heads, and you don't want to stand there and just hold it and shake it. So we're normally just packing the bins, and then we're going to let those bins drain. So with a boxed lettuce like this, obviously you can drain out the bottom, but there's always some cupped leaves. So we'll also do this, just tip it like that, and so then more water will drain out. So the other two styles of lettuce cases I like are the Rubbermaid totes or the buckhorn flip top totes. And one of the things you will want to think about is draining those. So I know I've seen some people put holes in the bottom of their cases. This is not a good idea on a food safety level. So I just like to see them like tipped up like that against the wall. And normally what we'll do is just run like a 1x1 or something on the floor there, just to kind of run them into that so they don't slide off and not work. Because you have to keep them up like this so the water drains out.